Jared was knocking on doors, selling final expense the morning he joined Juicebox, and less than 2 weeks later, before his marketing even launched, he submitted a $253,000 annuity. Not from new leads, from someone who had been sitting in his stale pipeline for months. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the strategy he used and how you can do the same thing before you spend another dollar on marketing. Now, here's what we're going to cover. I'm going to show you why your stale pipeline is actually more valuable than new leads. I'm going to tell you Jared's full story, how he went from door knocking to closing an annuity 68% higher than the national average in less than 2 weeks. And I'm going to give you the exact 3-step strategy to turn your dead contacts into closed commissions. If you've ever written off old leads as not interested, this is going to change how you think about your pipeline. Every agent has them. The leads you bought from elsewhere but couldn't convert. The seminar attendees who were nodding enthusiastically at dinner but went dark on the follow-up. The referrals that said, call me next week, and then they stopped answering. Right? You know who I'm talking about. You've got names in your CRM or database right now that you haven't touched in months, maybe years. Most agents write these off. Old leads, bad leads, cold leads. They weren't interested. But think about it. They were interested enough to show up, opt in, or take your call. Something happened between interest and close, or lack thereof, and that something wasn't them. It was the approach. You needed an identity shift and a proven virtual selling system to consistently convert them, and you didn't have it yet. That's what we find to be true for most people. So here's the question. What if those dead leads aren't dead at all? Let me give you 5 reasons your stale pipeline is actually more valuable than new leads. Number 1 is they already know you. There's some level of existing trust. You're not a stranger calling out of the blue. Number 2 is they already expressed interest. At some point, they opted in, attended something, or took your call. That's more than you can say about a cold lead. Number 3 is no buying pressure. You're reapproaching them, not cold calling them. The dynamic is completely different. Number 4 is you have data on them, previous conversations, assets they mentioned, concerns they raised. You're not starting from scratch. And number 5 is zero cost through re-engage. No ad spend, no lead purchase, just a phone call or an email to get things started. New leads cost money. Your stale pipeline is free at this point. But more than that, these people gave you something you can't buy, a previous moment of interest. The fast cash strategy is about turning sunk cost into closed commissions. Now, let me show you what this looks like in practice. Let me tell you about Jared. Jared was a fairly successful, above average final expense and mortgage protection agent. He was good at what he did. But the morning he started with Juicebox, he was literally knocking on doors, doing typical life insurance sales, grinding it out the old-fashioned way. Here's the thing about people who come to us. They want to stop being just a life agent. They want to make the shift into becoming a virtual retirement professional. And that's exactly what Jared wanted. So Jared joins Juicebox. His marketing is getting set up. His new leads are just beginning to flow into his pipeline. Literally 2 days into the marketing launch is where we are at this point. And now most agents would sit on their hands. They'd go through our training, wait for the marketing to ramp up, and hope it works. Not Jared. Instead of waiting, he took our fast cash strategy and applied it to his stale pipeline, to people he already knew or talked to, contacts that had been sitting there for months. And 2 days in, 253,000 submitted. 4 business days later, that policy issued. Then he closed another $250,000 shortly after that. This time, it came from his marketing. So what was different? Why did the same prospects who ghosted him before suddenly close for a multi-6-figure annuity premium? The 3-step process that we teach is what the difference is. Instead of saying, I wanted to follow up on that annuity that we discussed, Jared led with the problem. He diagnosed before he prescribed. He used our forecaster to create what we call the mirror moment, showing their own numbers, their own situation in a way they couldn't ignore. Then he presented the solution as the perfect puzzle piece they knew they had been looking for. Same prospect, different approach. $250,000 annuity submitted and issued. Then the marketing kicks in and it's pure profit. Now I want to talk to specifically those of you who are seminar advisors that are watching this, right? Because you've got a gold mine sitting in your pipeline and you don't even know it. For seminar advisors, you've been doing back-to-back dinner seminars for years. It worked, but it's getting more expensive. Conversion seems to be dropping, and it's a grind to visit them in-home or sell them from your office. A lot of advisors are looking to switch to virtual because they want their freedom back. Here's the other problem. Prospects are fired up at the event. They're nodding along, they're excited, but each week that interest kind of burns out. You couldn't get back into their home fast enough or keep them warm long enough to commit to the logistics of getting to your office, right? And they start to say things like, hey, my family's visiting, or next month would be better. Let's reschedule. By the time you actually meet, the emotional momentum from that dinner is gone. And virtual reactivation can absolutely solve this. A simple Zoom call replaces the home visit or office appointment that kept getting postponed. So you give them a call and say something like, hey, I had something come across my desk relevant to what we discussed at the dinner. Can we jump on a quick Zoom? No drive time, no scheduling logistics, and you lead with the problem, not the product. Your dead seminar pipeline, that's your fast cash opportunity. So let me give you the exact strategy in just 3 steps. Step one is identify your stale pipeline. Everyone who expressed interest but didn't close. Old leads, cold leads, seminar attendees, referrals that went dark. Make a list. You probably have more than you think. If you give that list to us, we'll just put it into your Juicebox CRM for you. Step number 2 is reapproach with a problem focus. Don't call about the annuity we discussed. That's what you did last time, and it didn't work. Call about the potential income gap or tax bomb you noticed in their situation. Lead with the problem, not the product. If you need it, we even have scripts depending on how the lead was originally generated. Step 3 is apply the 3 Ps. First P is problem. Diagnose their situation. What's the gap? What's the risk? Which leads us to the second P, which is plan. Create the mirror moment with their data. Show them what their retirement actually looks like and create a gap between what they expect and where they're actually heading so that they actually desire a resolution to close that gap. And then the final P is to present. Position the solution as the perfect puzzle piece that solves the specific problem you just uncovered, which typically has them asking you how to get it taken care of. That's it. 3 steps. Same prospects that you already have. And here's what I need you to understand. You don't need to wait for your marketing to launch and feel the pressure to convert just to keep up with your investment. Inside of 60 to 90 days, you could potentially pay for your entire year of marketing. Then everything from that point forward becomes pure profit. Now, by the time your marketing turns on, you should already be playing with house money. That's the goal, and that's what Jared did, and so many others, right? The only difference between the people who basically get their marketing for free and those who don't, they follow the fast cash strategy and apply themselves. If you want to understand the identity shift that makes this work and how to stop being a product peddler and start showing up as a virtual retirement professional, then you're going to want to watch this video next. If you're already ready to learn how you can install this same system and claim an exclusive territory like Jared did, use the link in the description to schedule a call to talk to our team. I'll see you in the next one.